Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter number 17, Sound, Production of Sound. Let's learn time period of oscillation and frequency. The time period by an oscillator to complete one oscillation is called the time period of the oscillator. In the previous activity, the oscillator travels the distance from the extreme position B to central position A and from there to the position C, then back again to A and from A to B. The time required by the oscillator to traverse this distance BACAB is the time period of oscillation of the oscillator. The number of oscillations completed by an oscillator in 1 second is called the frequency of oscillation. Total motion BACAB in the previous activity is 1 oscillation. Frequency N is equal to 1 divided by time period of oscillation T is equal to 1 divided by T. Frequency is the number of oscillations occurring in 1 second. The unit of frequency is Hertz. 1 Hertz means there is one oscillation in 1 second. 100 Hz means 100 oscillations in 1 second. The time period of oscillation T depends on the length of the pendulum. The time period of oscillation increases if the length of the pendulum is increased. The frequency remains the same even if the amplitude decreases or increases. Let us learn high and low pitch of sound. When tension in the wires is increased, the frequency is seen to increases, and when it is reduced, the frequency is also seen to decrease. We also perceive a difference in the sounds generated. When the tension is increased, the resulting sound is shriller. When the tension is reduced, the sound is also less shrill. This is what is called the high and low pitch of sound. Let's learn intensity of sound, sound level. Loudness or softness of sound is indicated by two terms, namely intensity of sound and sound level. Sound level is the intensity of sound as perceived by our ears. The intensity of sound is proportional to the square of the amplitude of vibration. For example, if the amplitude is doubled, the intensity of sound becomes 4 times as much. The decibel is the unit for measuring sound level. It was named decibel in honor of the work of the scientist Alexander Graham Bell. The magnitude of sound level, decibels, can be deduced from the intensity of the sound using a mathematical formula. When intensity of sound becomes 10 times the original, the sound level increases by 10 dB. The decibel levels of some common sounds. Beginning of audible sound 0 decibel, normal breathing 10 decibel, murmuring from 5 meters away 30 decibel, normal conversation between two persons 60 decibel, heavy traffic 70 decibel, ordinary factories 80 decibels, jet engine 130 decibels, start of ear splitting sound 120 decibel. Hearing is temporarily affected by sound of frequency greater than 1000 Hz and levels higher than 100 dB. This can result in temporary deafness. Workers who work near aeroplane engines experience this. Sound. The frequency of the sound audible to human beings is between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. We can only hear sounds in this frequency range. Infrasonic sound. A sound with the frequency less than 20 Hz is called infrasonic sound. Sounds with a frequency less than 20 Hz are produced by some animals, namely whales, elephants. Ultrasonic sound. A sound with a frequency higher than 20,000 Hz is called ultrasonic sound. Human beings cannot hear such sounds. However, some animals, for example a dog, can hear such sounds. Uses of ultrasonic sound. To clean delicate ornaments and the tiny parts of a watch. To observe internal organs of the body. To detect tumors in the brain. To detect faults in a metal. In radar systems. To kill certain microbes and insects. Sonar, sound navigation and ranging is used to locate the seabeds or the position of a ship. Thank you.